Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Maunika, currently pursuing computer science and engineering from Sri Venkateswara College, course title Object Oriented Programming with Java. Today I am going to discuss about online learning management system. Abstract. In this paper, we introduce a learning management system that provides a management system for centralized control of course content. A secure system to record lectures is implemented as a key feature of this application. This feature would be assessed through web camera and mobile recording. These features are mainly designed for e-learning environment. In addition, we integrate a learning management system with a platform for social activities and student assessment analysis is developed. Users, including students, professors, and administrators, are able to manage schedules, lectures, assignments, jobs, events, discussion, and research. Introduction. This paper provides an ultimate service to enhance educational process in professional institutions through integrating essential learning and social media functionalities in one mobile application. In this regard, we introduce an online learning management system that develops a learning platform for an efficient course delivery and management. Online learning management system provides new course content management system while improving the service of social activities provided in some other application. In doing this, we present main features of online learning management system including live lecture recording techniques. This has been integrated into application to improve the content management scope while the Blackboard have no such advanced ability. Online learning management also will be easy used by non-technical users than those requiring advanced skills. Lecture recording is conducted by a user authorized by course instructor or administrator to maintain the security constraints. Recording lectures are published and assessed by registered students through uploading to online learning management system server from local storage unit or from cloud database. In this application, content and user management features are mainly essential for the education advantages, particularly e-learning environment. Consequently, those students who learn remotely can watch lectures presented by instructor. Methodology. OLMS is an online management system related application to educational institution which is compatible with the web platform and Android operating system. The front end of the application was built in Eclipse IDE open framework which supports different languages including Java, JavaScript, Python and C++. Ruby on Rails is the backend to manage the data transaction connected with PostgreSQL database. Native apps are coded using Android SDKs and iOS. Mobile web apps are accessed using internet browsers such as Safari on iOS and Chrome on Android. Projects such as Ape Cordova contributed to develop apps with the aid of web technologies that are compiled into a wrapper, creating a hybrid app such as OLMS. We use a class diagram to implement a set of classes, interfaces, and their relationships in OLMS. Class diagram is important not only for visualizing, specifying, and documenting structural models, but also for constructing executable systems through forward and reverse engineering. We mainly use it for detailed modeling, translating the models into programming code of our app. Front page of OLMS is shown in figure, and its important features include user management. Instructor and student can sign up and log in and receive the password if it is forgotten. Administrator is assigned with the user management authority where you can add, edit, or update user details, assign roles, and delete a user. Subject management. Administrator, professor, or authorized user can record live lectures directly in the classroom. Once the operation is complete, authorized user can upload the recorded content to OLMS server. Registered users such as students can retrieve recorded materials saved through the lectures tab of the OLMS. Notice board. This option performs operation to enable users to create and post notices and discussions on the notice board. This feature also provides the information about the upcoming events that are going to be held in or out the institution. For instance, when there is a graduate project presentation, the authorized person to this tab can tag the notice instead of sending an email to all intended students. Discussion and analysis. Learning process is barely continued in some accidental situations during the semester for some students who get commitments to do such as attending a wedding, assisting parent and relatives and going for an interview in another city. Moreover, cases may include ill students who should be home or hospitalized and cannot attend regular classes. Additionally, some students won't be able to attend the regular classes because of the travel expenses. In such cases, obtaining the recorded lecture is an alternative solution for students to continue their study. Also, recorded lectures can be employed in virtual classroom and online learning to eliminate the cost needed for the real classroom enrollment. E-learning would be a compromised solution to catch up covered material in traditional classroom. In addition, having a platform for course content discussions and views with other students and the instructor would improve the course content understanding and enhance the course load participation effectively. This paper typically describes what is needed by the system user as well as requested properties of input and output. Lecture recording techniques. OLMS has two features implemented to record a live lecture. These functionalities are recording a lecture using web camera and using mobile device such as smartphone and tablet. Web camera recording. OLMS facilitates a live lecture to be recorded using a web camera as shown in figure. Authorized user can record a lecture through this feature in application using a web camera. Once the lecture has been recorded, user will be given options to save or cancel the recording to complete the operation. If the user is satisfied with the quality of recorded video and wants to accept, he click to save to store it. File would be saved to local storage and hence to cloud database if necessary. Second, mobile recording. Sometimes a lecturer might be in a situation where the authorized user, likely to be a student, cannot record the live lecture using a webcam due to many reasons. These reasons may include that there is no computer with available camera, or if the lecturer wants to be a higher resolution for his lecture presentation. In such cases, authorized user can use the camera of a mobile device. Camera tag is an open add-on which is used to integrate this feature into our application. A user should select to record the lecture using a phone providing a valid mobile number and then press send mobile link as shown in the figure. Uploading recorded lecture. Once the recording is completed, user will be given option to upload the saved lecture file and this can be done by two methods as explained below. In our case, uploading a file means publishing the file to the application and allowing user to retrieve. Upload from local storage. Uploading a lecture from local storage means the lecture has already been recorded and saved in the local storage of the system. To upload a recorded lecture, authorized user has to navigate to the location where the file is saved as shown in the figure. Once the file has been selected from the local storage, the file will be published to the application through clicking on Save option. If the user does not want to upload the recording, operation can be simply cancelled by tapping on the Cancel option. I conclude that education is no more restricted to traditional classroom, but it has reached far and wide. Virtual classroom that uses online learning plays an essential aspect in education and studying. This would reduce cost and provide flexibility in learning without a degradation of the learning process and its quality. Also, synchronous learning and lectures accessibility are still factors that virtual classroom maintains. In addition, audio visualization representation of information makes the procedure of studying interesting and interactive for learners. OLMS is a mobile application that provides several features for e-learning and virtual classroom. In this paper, we introduce OLMS and present its features including mobile and and webcam recordings made lectures recording reliable to instructors and students. Notice board feature is a platform for social media discussions and chat. User can publish a video hosted on public domain or cloud database. The profile management is effective and secure. Application is designed to be capable of tolerating large-scale data like video recordings. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.